There was a question about alternate interior angles and corresponding angles that came up in class today, and we did not have time to go over it. So I'm just going to go over this really fast with you. If you have two parallel lines that are cut by a transversal, then several things happen. So let's say that this is line M and this is line N. So line M and line N are parallel. And then we have line P is the transversal. So line M and N are parallel, cut by a transversal line P. So I'm going to label some of our angles here. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So now we're going to take a look at what happens to these special cases here. So first thing is that angle C and angle F are what we call alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are equal. So this also means that angle D and angle E are equal because they are alternate interior angles. The other special thing that we have going on here are corresponding angles. So the corresponding angles would be like angle A and angle E. So angle A corresponds with angle E, making those equal. And then if you went around, you could do some more. So B corresponds with F, C corresponds with G, and D corresponds with H. So when you have cases like this, you can pretty much just find one line or one angle and then find all of your other pieces. Let's take a quick look at an example. So let's say I give you the parallel lines and the transversal, and I tell you that this first angle here is, let's say 115 degrees. So you have to go back and think about, okay, well, if this is 115 degrees and this is a straight line, then this angle has to be 180 degrees. So to find your missing A, all you have to do is 180 minus 115. And that gives you 65 degrees. So now I know that angle A is 65 degrees. And then you can start filling in your other pieces because you know about corresponding angles and alternate interior angles. So since 115 is given to us, then we know that angle D is also 115 degrees. And because D is an alternate interior angle to angle C, then this is also 115 degrees. And then you can figure out, well, we have 115 degrees at angle C, so angle B has to be 65 degrees. And then you could fill out all of the rest of this just by knowing about alternate interior angles and corresponding angles.